Will this work? The line parameter has a small issue. The correct way to get a type of variable is using a type. I thought so. Okay. Perfect. So we don't have a size. I need to get into a position. I'm going to get into a small position and I'll show you the exact bug actually. So I'm going to get into like a 0.2. I can't get into a 0.2. That's the whole point of this. Alright, so I'm going to get into a size of 2, place market order, and then I'm going to sell it at 1.2, and I should be in a size of 0.8. I need to make sure, my other bot's going to get me out though. Damn. Okay, I'm in a size of 0.8 though. Let's see if I can do this all before it gets me out. Well, it can't get me out because it doesn't have the even up function. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Now it tried to get me out, 0.2. Okay, this is perfect. My other algo is, what it did was it rounded to 1, and I had a 0.8 position on sol, and then since it rounded to 1, now I have a 0.2 position on sol on the short side. So that's good. This is a real error that's happening right now. And we're going to fix it with this new function. And this function essentially, it says 0.2. Okay, well, just to give you a little update, 0.2 is my size. Well, minimum size to order is 1. So how do you get out of that? You can't. Your bot can't get out of that. So this function here essentially buys 1.8 or whatever. So now it equals 2, and then it sells 2. So that's the logic behind the function. This is the bot killer if you don't have it, because if you leave your bot for 3 days, it's going to get stuck at 0.2 at some point. Float object has no, okay, well that told us the answer. We don't need the type then, it's a float. So we'll just go ahead and say that, and then let's try this even up function. Print finished even up, and let's put that time.sleep right in the. Okay, so now this should run and get me out of this 0.2. I'm in a 0.2 size, and you'll be able to see it here. Max loss, even up function is done. Okay, so our current size in position info is incorrect. I think I need to I think I changed some things in position info to make this correct. So def. Let's go look at the differences. You can't see this, but I can see it. And then just tell you if there's any differences here, because again, I made this 2 weeks ago. How did I do this in the other one? So this, oh, I think I'm gonna put a new function called def position info for even up. That's ugly, but whatever, B. So let's do that, because this one has a couple different things in it. It's just the rounding is different. So let's call this def position info even up.